KOPTA. So yeah, passing Atlanta now. Going to look at the Superleggera 2008 Lamborghini. I like it. It has the whole suede interior, stuff like that. It's really, it looks like really clean off pictures. So hopefully I get it. And yeah, stay tuned.
Even on the market.
Yeah, I got you. You're here. Okay, man. So I'm here. Yes, I'm here finally.
It's one of his smaller ones.
Smaller ones?
Well, he's had bigger ones in the past, but this is the one he has now.
Oh dang, that's crazy. How much does something like this cost, like to build, or?
I honestly don't know.
No.
I'm pretty sure he had to have that frame custom made, unless I'm not sure if he bought that the way it is.
Yeah.
He just put the new tires and wrapped it.
Yeah.
I'm not sure.
That's like crazy. So man, how's it going?
Good, how's it going?
Good, David.
Mark, nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you. Always good.
Just want to put some gas in it.
Oh yeah.
Didn't have any.
Gotcha. It's nice. So what else have you done with it? Just the sound system, right?
Yeah, the exhaust and the tune.
What kind of exhaust does it have?
It's from what do they call it, out of Fort Worth. Underground something. I have to look at this up.
Okay.
Underground something.
And then a tune. Do you know what kind of tune or no?
They did the tune on it. Like I said, it was 100 and something, a little over 100 something horsepower.
Oh, okay, I got you. With the injectors and stuff, or what?
No, I guess from what I understand through the computer and the exhaust.
Okay. Okay. And then the clutch was done like 1,000 miles ago. F1 pump is good, right?
Mm-hmm.
What was the pressure?
Man, I'm very meticulous with my vehicles.
I got you. No, I seen that thing. That truck is crazy.
Oh, the side by side?
Yeah. What did it cost you to build that?
About 150.
150? Dang. More than the Lambo, huh?
I've got 3 of those.
Oh yeah? That's like your hobby?
It's whatever. It's toys.
I got you. Could we go take it for a spin?
Yeah.
Feels good, sounds great. Superleggera. 2008 Superleggera, 37K miles, clean title. No issues, clutch changed 1,000 miles ago. Yeah, just bought the Superleggera, 2008. I don't know how you say it, Superleggera, but in person it looks way better. Like the Alcantara suede, and then the carbon fiber door panels, everything carbon. And Alcantara is just, you feel so much different sitting in this car than a regular Lambo, like a regular Gallardo. All the yellow striping, the yellow stitching, that so much. I was thinking to do yellow seat belts. Comment what you guys think. If I should do the yellow seat belts, it'd probably look way better with the That. I love these wheels too, original Superleggera wheels. Car is pretty much stock, it just has the exhaust and the tune, some kind of race exhaust he said. And then these were, I think this isn't original. I think these were painted or tinted black or darker. I was thinking of putting them back to original. I also don't know what will look better. I might go with the original look. Then I was thinking to swap the front bumper. There's like a more aggressive front bumper for these cars. Looks way better, so I might do that too. But this is so exciting. This is my first Lambo, buying a first Lambo. I had a Ferrari, I had a McLaren, I had a Porsches, a couple of them. Not a Lambo yet, but starting with the Superleggera. I don't know, I don't want to sell this car. Like, you get emotional with these cars, and this is the car I might get like tied up to, like fall in love with it and not want to sell it. I'd probably rather sell the McLaren or anything else, but because there was only 618 units made of these, so they're really rare. Only 618, and they're only going up in price, so this is like an investment, you know. You won't find another one like this, like yellow stitching, you know. I mean, I could sell it if anyone's interested. Comment below if you want to buy it. It's a clean title car, 37,000 miles. I think a 2 or 3 owner vehicle. The clutch was changed like 1,000 miles ago. All services, all up to date. The F1 pump was serviced. The guy took really good care of it. He's a multi-millionaire. Has a bunch of cars. He has a 720S, a bunch of exotics. And he just gave me a good deal on this that I couldn't pass off on. So I had to buy it, and I was thinking maybe sell it, but I don't want to sell it. I feel like this is the last thing I want to sell right now. It's just everything about it is so unique. Like, everywhere you look is just like Lambo, you know. And a lot of people put like Superleggera stickers, body kits, whatever, but this is the real deal. Real spoiler, all carbon fiber. Carbon fiber mirrors, door panels. It's the real deal. He said he had a tune on it. It adds like 100-something horsepower with the exhaust and the tune, or whatever they did. I don't know if that's possible because it's not a turbo car to add that much, but pulls good, sounds amazing. Sounds crazy. He says it's some kind of race exhaust. I gotta wash the engine, it's pretty, got some dust on it, but I got a really bargain deal on it. Like, I can't even believe it. Like, I got blessed with this car. And these are only going up.